Article 200. Assent to bills. The governor assents, withholds assent or reserves for the consideration of the bill passed by the Legislative Assembly. Article 201. Bills reserved for considerations. When a bill is reserved by a governor for the consideration of the President shall declare either that he assents to the bill or that he withholds assent therefrom, provided that where the bill is not a money bill, the President may direct the governor to return the bill to the House or, as the case may be, the House of the Legislature of the state, the President for his consideration. Article 202. Annual financial statement. The governor shall, in respect of every financial year, cause to be laid before the House a statement of the estimated receipts and expenditure. Article 203. Procedure in Legislature with respect to estimate. No demand for a grant shall be made except on the recommendations of the governor. Article 205. Supplementary, additional or excess grant. The governor shall cause to be laid before the House another statement showing estimated amount of expenditure. Article 207. Special provisions as to financial bills. A bill or amendment making provisions for any of the matters specified in clauses A to F of clause 1 of article 199 shall not be introduced or moved except on the recommendations of the governor, and a bill making such provisions shall not reduction or abolition of any tax. Article 213. Power of governor to promulgate ordinances during the recess of legislature, if at any time except when the legislative assembly of a state is in session, or where there is a legislative council in state, except when both houses of the legislature are in session, the governor is satisfied promulgate such ordinances as the circumstances appear to him to require. Article 217. Appointment and conditions of the office of a judge of a high court. Every judge of high court shall be appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal after consultations with the Chief Justice of India, the governor of the state, and in the case of appointment the age of 62 years. Article 219. Oath or affirmation by judges of high courts. Every person appointed to be a judge of high court shall, before he enters upon his office, make and subscribe before the governor of the state or some person the purpose in the third schedule. Article 243.1. Constitution of Finance Commission to review financial position. Constitution of Finance Commission to review financial position. The governor of a state shall, as soon as may be within 1 year from the commencement of the Constitution, 73rd Amendment, Act 1992, and thereafter recommendations. Article 243.2. Finance Commission. The governor shall cause every recommendation made by the commission under this article, together with an explanatory memorandum as to the action taken thereon, to be laid before the legislature of the state. Article 267.2. Contingency Fund. The legislature of a state may by law establish a contingency fund in the nature of the impressed to the entitled the contingency fund of the state, into which shall be paid by the legislature of the state by law under Art 205 or Art 200 Article 206. Article 316. Appointment in term of office or members of the public service commissions. The chairman and the members of the public service commissions shall be appointed in the case of union commission or a joint commission by the President, and in the case of a state commission by the governor of the state. Article 317. Removal and suspension of a member of a public service commission. The governor, in the case of a state commission, may suspend from office the chairman or any other member of the commission in respect of whom a reference has been made to the Supreme Court under clause 1, until the President has passed orders on receipt of the report of the Supreme Court on such a reference. Article 333. Representation of the Anglo-Indian community. Representation of the Anglo-Indian community in the legislative assemblies of the state. Article 355 and 356. President rule. As a representative of the center, the governor keeps it informed about political and socio-economic developments by sending periodic reports to the President. If, in the interest of the state, the governor feels that the center should intervene, he is duty bound to say so. Under Article 356, the governor ensures that the state's administration is run as per the provisions of the Constitution and or advise the President to declare the President rule. Thank you.